Sobra na akong kasabik makita ang aking mga kaklase.
Super excited na ako makita mga friends ko.
So excited to meet my friends.
Pagkalambing-lambing ng iyong mga
Good day class, for your finals yung represent niya is yung power of language. Tapos sa groupings natin, by seat na lang kayo dyan, okay?
Oh my GL, tayo ng tatlo magkaka-group.
Yeah. Okay ka lang? Ba't di ka nagsasalita? Homesick ka ba? Where are you?
Hello, Anna? Are you okay?
Oo, okay lang ako.
Do you need help ba?
I'm fine. Punta ka na lang dito about sa presentation. Mag-practice tayo.
Okay, see you later.
At si Zaira?
Zaira has errands kasi sinabi niya kanina. Tara na, let's practice.
Ito ba yun sa akin? Yung language is freedom?
No, it's not freedom, it's freedom.
Okay.
Good day, everyone! Let's speak in English pala para it sounds professional.
Yeah, uy Ana, no accent. English lang para sound smart.
Uy!
Okay.
Language is power. It is, okay, ano ba nga kinanghanan ko pa itago? Hindi nga akong pagkatao.
In conclusion, language shapes not just how we speak, but how we are seen.
This is why learning English is the key to success in school and beyond.
Language is power. That's what we've been taught. Speak fluently, be respected. Speak wrong, be laughed at. So every day, I try to sound like you. Pero habang sinusubukan kong maging katanggap-tanggap, unti-unti kong tinatanggal ang sarili ko. Dili kayo waray ako maaram, kundi waray ka mo namamati.
What happened? Ba? Iskala, bakit ka nag-worry doon?
Tigilan niyo na ako!
You made us fail!
It's not part of our plan!
Hindi ko namalayan, ako pala'y na-post sa social media. At ngayon, sandamakmak na ang komento.
Huwag mo na buy a dress sa ball. Wala na magamit eh.
Yeah, me too. Let's check online nga. So, dito kayo sa Zara. Ito ang ganda ko.
Sino bang chat ng chat? Parang naman. Oh my God! Napos na lang ni Anna. Let's check.
Let me check nga.
Girl, I don't think tama yung ginawa natin.
Yeah, you're right. It's part of our culture. Dapat hindi natin yung pinagtatawanan.
Yeah. We gotta make it up to her. Si ano?
Oo nga. Girl, ikaw na mauna.
Sino na tayo?
Okay. We're really sorry talaga, ha?
Ano ka ba? Okay lang yun. Anong pa namang hindi niyo sinasadya? Oh, here's our peace offering pala,
All this time, I thought silence meant weakness. That if I didn't speak like them, I did not belong. But silence was never the absence of thought. It was the absence of being heard. An akon dila, akon kusog.